I'd like to show you here three really great commands that are very useful to the die designer, and I'm sure others will find them useful as well. First one is move face. We'll go to Insert, Face, Move. And this is especially useful if, let's say, you were designing and building a die and the toolmaker developed it, and this face, this edge I should say, needed to get moved by, let's say, 30 thousandths. So we pick the faces that need to get moved, and then we select a direction for the move. As you can see, it's set to 125. I'm going to flip the direction because I want to make it longer, make it 0.030 longer, and we're translating it from there to there. So it's the exact same set of faces, just moved out by 30 thousandths. So really great command. I'll do it now with this gusset. And here I'll show you actually a setting that I prefer to have set. I think it's very useful to have your setting set this way. Under Display Selection, allow selection in wireframe and hidden lines visible modes. What that allows me to do is go into the Move Face command and select the hidden lines visible, and then I can simply grab this, and it grabs the data behind in the background as well. And now I'm going to put a parameter right here. Whoops, I have to put focus on that box first. Click here, and then change this back to 0.125 and flip the direction to move. And look, that easy, we just moved that entire gusset front and back. So very nice. And then the other one, so that's the move face command. Oh, one more thing that you can do with it. Let's go ahead and show you that. If we measure this hole, you can see it's a 300 thousandths diameter. We can also grab this face and do Insert, Move Face, and we can choose to offset that face. And let's offset it by 0.025, and you can see what's happening there. Hit OK, and now we've got a 250 diameter hole in there. So again, really nice command. And then the last one I'm going to show you, or the next one I should say, Insert, Face, Delete Face. Again, super powerful and use it a lot. Again, when the edges are shaded, here I'm going to purposely start my pick right here on this face, and I'm going to come to here, and now this face is selected, so we don't want that, so I click again to deselect that face. And now delete and patch is the most common setting for working with solids, and hit OK, and that quickly we get rid of our gusset. Again, really great command. And the other one I'm going to show you, and you can use that for holes, getting rid of holes very quickly, all kinds of things. In fact, I'll just hit Enter. Actually, it didn't want to repeat there. Insert Face, Delete Face, click inside that hole and hit Enter, and there it's gone. Okay, and finally, the next one I'm just going to show you in the help file so you understand what it does. Insert Face, Replace Face. And let's just look at the help file real quick. The Replace Face is very handy, and I will show you the example that it shows us. If you've got a face with whatever surface on it, you can select that face, you create a surface first or import a surface that you want to replace that face with, and then you tell it that you want to replace this face or these faces with that face or that set of faces. Click OK, and that's it. Again, very underused, but very handy, especially if you want to change a set of forms or something slightly in a form die or a form station of a die. So I hope you enjoyed that group of tips about faces. I've found them very useful, and other customers have remarked to make sure that I teach people about them. Thank you very much for your time.